Alright, I'm sick. This sucks. This is with the regular mic. Alright, I'm sick. This sucks. Doing solo. And this is with the boom, or the shotgun mic. I'm sick. This sucks. A little less solo. And this is the SM mic. I'm sick. This sucks. This is with two different mics, the SM mic in channel 1, and then the regular mic in channel 2. I'm testing the SM mic. This is in a open room instead of a hall. This is me testing the SM mic under my hoodie instead of a blanket, because I do not have a blanket. This is me testing the SM mic under my hoodie in a different way, because I want to see how that changes the audio. This is me using the SM mic like it's a boom mic. It's probably going to turn out really quiet. I'll have to increase the gain afterwards.